your bathroom, and a NuTone ChromaComfort with Sensonic.
Your bathroom with the other exhaust fan.
NuTone's ChromaComfort with Sensonic installs Roomside, a faster, easier process with no attic access required.
Roomside installation is not available on the other.
NuTone ChromaComfort with Sensonic offers 16 million color patterns.
The other exhaust fan offers 3.
The NuTone is finished with a modern, clean design.
The inner components are easily seen through the other grille.
NuTone allows custom app settings for a personalized user experience.
Custom settings are not available for the other exhaust fan.
When choosing a Bluetooth-enabled stereo speaker bathroom exhaust fan, the choice is clear.
ChromaComfort with Sensonic.